Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a Throwback Thursday using the Natasha Denona Mini Zendō. So if you want to see the look, how we get this look from this guy, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. Alright, you guys have already seen the look in the intro. We are using the Natasha Denona Mini Zendō for today's Throwback Thursday. And I'm just going to use the whole palette because it's a 5-pan palette. So I figured why not? But we're going to make it a little interesting, and I'm going to use 2 different eyeshadow sticks because I want to test and see if it makes a difference because I want to test it. So on one eye, I'm going to be using NARS Adults Only, which is, here, I'll swatch these for you. It is a peach. Well, it is an apricot, excuse me. And then on the other side, I'm going to be using this Morphe Over It, which is a white. So I just want to see if it's going to make a difference in the lasting power, in the creasing, in the color payoff, in any of the things. So we're going to start with the NARS. Because that's what I've been using. And just get into it. I think that this blends out really nicely for a shadow stick, but I have noticed an ungodly amount of creasing on my eyes since I've started using this shadow stick. So, you know, that's always fun, because like I like the color, I like how it blends out. I think it's nice. Let me get those off my hand. Get those off my hand. So for this eye look, it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to go into this matte and then this matte. And then we're going to take this shimmer on the outer corner, this all over the lid, and the silver on the inner corner. Pretty self-explanatory here with this palette. Nothing too crazy. I've used this palette once, so this is a true Throwback Thursday because I've actually used this palette before. Make sure there's nothing on my brush there. I had my first physical therapy yesterday for my knees, and it went super well. I go back once a week for a month just to work on some strength training. So that's fun. I wasn't super excited to hear that they wanted me to come back because that's not really what I went there for. I kind of went just for home exercise program, like to be set up with, but 'tis okay. If that's what they think I need, that's what they think I need. See, the shadows on top of this eyeshadow stick blend so nicely, though. They just crease horribly. But they blend out so great, it's not even funny. I don't even think I need that. And I'm just going to take those 2 shades on the lower lash line, because I always channel my inner lens makeup. You don't look weird with eyeshadow under your eye. You're just not used to it. Oh. Didn't even have you guys zoomed in? How rude of me. My apologies. So now, let's do the other shadow stick. Just to see if that changes things. Normally I would do the other eye off camera to get it done faster, but let's see if the shadow stick makes a difference. So it feels thicker on the eye. I can already tell that. Whereas the NARS one just like blended into my skin, this one is sitting on top. And it's not really blanking out my eye that much for it being a white shadow stick. Like, it didn't lighten my lid that much, in my opinion. As much as I would want, like, a white shadow stick to do. But let's see. I do think that this looks brighter immediately. Just trying to build it up a little bit to see if I can get some of that same color payoff, but I don't think we're gonna get anywhere near the same color. And see, I feel like the shadows are just sticking to this eyeshadow stick. They're not blending as nicely as it did on the NARS side. Yeah, I definitely don't like this eye as much. So that's good to know. I'm glad I put this with a palette that I know head to head, because I've been using both of these primers for a minute now and just not really having my thoughts or feelings. I would love to know if you had tried any of these. So they've got like the liquid shadow on one side and the shadow stick on the other. I have another one too that I have not tried yet, and it's the black one. But I can definitely say that I prefer the NARS shadow stick eye. Ungodly amount of kick up in this little palette. So now we're going to go into NYX Glitter Glue, because we always do NYX Glitter Glue. And then, like I said, we're going to do this darker. I love the color of this. So that's going to go out here. And then we're going to take the like coppery rose gold shade. And we're going to put that all over the lid. And then the silvery shade on the inner corner. Boom. And that's the look. I'm going to just do that really fast on the other eye and go pick a lip out, and then I'll come back and we'll talk. Alright, so there's the finished look. It turned out a little more even than I thought, but this is still slightly darker than this, which is going to make sense. It was a white shadow stick. I definitely preferred the NARS side better. It just blended better. But overall, nice look. I like this palette. I think it's super unique for what it is. I love the silver inclusion. I love like the mixed metal-y that we get here. I just think this is a really nice little mini Natasha Denona palette. It's why it's still in my collection, because I do really enjoy it. So that is going to do it for my little Throwback Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.